Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix timeout error in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the Windows search bar and type View Network Connections. Click on it, then find your active network adapter. Double-click on it, select Properties, then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Ensure that Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then choose Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS, enter 8888, and for the alternate DNS, enter 8844. Click OK to save the changes. Now for the second step, go back to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. For the final step, restart your computer. These steps will reset your network settings and apply the DNS changes, which often resolve timeout errors in Valorant. So that's basically how you can fix timeout error in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.